What's up, people? This is Attorney Zain. Just wanted to make a video real quick on why you need an attorney, right? And I get that a lot of people want to represent themselves, and they should be able to represent themselves. They have the right to represent themselves, and they want to take care of things themselves. But why you need an attorney is I'm going to give you the main reason why you need an attorney, right? The main reason you need an attorney is because whoever you're going up against, let's say it's a criminal trial or a criminal proceeding, the main reason you need an attorney is because the opposition, the opposing party, doesn't really give a fuck about you at all. They're not in there for their best interest, and they're gonna take advantage of you, right? Whoever you're going up against, let's say it's the Social Security Administration, you're trying to get your Social Security benefits, they're gonna take advantage of you if they see you're without an attorney, right? Especially if you're pro se. Look, guys, I used to work in an insurance defense firm. I didn't like it. That's why I left. In that firm, we would have sometimes pro se plaintiffs that would file lawsuits themselves and stuff. And usually, if they were pro se, I was told, and all of the attorneys were told, it was basically a culture to take advantage of that pro se person. Why? Because when you're working with insurance companies, the adjusters wanted to scare the pro se plaintiffs away. Pro se, again, for people that don't know, is just you representing yourself, right? So for the most part, you do need an attorney wherever you are. If it's a criminal proceeding, it's a civil trial, you're the plaintiff, you need somebody to have your side. If it's an administrative hearing, Social Security hearing, tax hearing, I don't care what it is. You need an attorney to help you. And I'm not just saying this because I'm an attorney and I want your money, or I want you to hire attorneys. I'm doing this for the benefit of attorneys, whatnot. I actually care, and I want people to understand what this process is and how it turns out. If you don't have an attorney, people are going to take advantage of you. A lot of times people don't even want you to get an attorney because they want you to show up yourself. The cops don't want you to get an attorney. They don't want that. They don't want that bullshit. They want you to fucking show up, represent yourself, come in there and practically show up yourself. That's why you have these constitutional rights. That's why you have the right to have an attorney. Part of the Miranda law, part of the Miranda warning when cops give it to you is that if you need an attorney, you can get an attorney before they question you. If you can't afford an attorney, they'll appoint you one. So yeah, invoke your right. Yeah, I'm all for people being pro se. Again, I have nothing against people being pro se. Sometimes you don't want an attorney. Sometimes if you feel you can do it yourself, do it yourself. But the main reason is you should always get an attorney. There's so many resources. If you can't afford an attorney, there's court-appointed attorneys, like I was saying. Get a court-appointed attorney. And court-appointed attorneys will fight for you, okay? They work hard. There's other resources available. If you're an immigrant, there's resources available through... I'm not going to say what all the resources are. You can look them up. If you do need some resources, of course, you can always email me. My email's in the description below. But there's so many resources. There should be no excuse, guys, why you can't get an attorney. You need an attorney, especially if there's something going on, something serious in your life. Don't try to take care of the matter yourself, because whoever you're up against is going to try to take advantage of you once they know you don't have an attorney. And not only that, they're going to give you a hard time. You're going to have a hard time figuring everything out. You're going to be stuck. And I truly enjoy helping people. And I'm very glad when I get hired and I get to represent somebody, because I step into their shoes and I feel what they're going through, and I love it. I absolutely love it. So just wanted to just throw that out there. I'm going to title this one, Why You Must Get an Attorney. Again, if you're not going to get an attorney, do all the research to make sure you can represent yourself pro se. Again, pro se is by yourself. And if you need some guidance, do great research. Go to a law library, talk to an attorney, talk to some of your friends that are attorneys, and ask them to guide you if you're going to handle some of this stuff on your own.